Look at the camera and say, thank you, Aunt Debbie.
Thank you, Aunt Debbie.
What could it be? I'm opening it now. I don't know what it is.
I'm opening it now.
It's for you and KK. You gotta share.
Oh, well, I'm going to start it. I'm going to start it.
Do you need Daddy's help, maybe?
You need help, buddy?
No.
You want Daddy to start it? Hey, turn around and look at Mom. There you go.
Oof.
You all right, Caleb?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, let me see, buddy. I'll help you. Come here.
Daddy will just start it and you
I'll
can
start
get it
You can
open.
finish it. Come here.
I'm going to hold it.
Yeah. And now slide your finger in there. Yeah, and pull it. There you go. Keep going.
Let Caleb
Hey,
help
turn
you.
around and let Mommy see.
You open it and let Caleb pull it out, okay? Let KK pull it out. Christian, let Caleb do it. What is it, Caleb? What is it? It does? What's it called? Snow Bunny. Show it to KK. What is it, KK? KK, what do you say?
I love you. Love you.
Can you say thank you, Aunt Debbie?
Thank you, Aunt Debbie.
What's the movie about, Caleb? What is it?
Owl.
An owl? Are you sure?
What's on the cover?
I know.
What is it? You know.
Doggy.
That's
Doggy.
And a wolf.
Wolf.